I got my Sephora subscription. I got this for $10, and let's see what's gonna be inside this subscription box. So it's a beauty subscription, and you're gonna pay $10, and it has different stuff like beauty care products, hair care products, skin care products, everything about beauty, guys. So let's see. Let's start, guys. Let's see. Oh my god, this needs some excited. What's inside, guys? Show off and share using Sephora Play. So this is it. It comes with, you have a 50 beauty insider points. So every time you buy at Sephora, you get a 50 points, and the more points you gain, the more samples, or you can get some beauty items which you will checking out every time you order from Sephora. So let's see. Then this is the package. These guys, there are 5 items inside. 5. So I got this moisturizing balm. I'll give the details later, guys. I got this is custom tiny tapered brush. I got another for your brows, and I know this is for your lashes. And this one is a matte, it has a primer. Another one is deep conditioning. This is for her hair. And I got a sample scent. Let's try. This smells good. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So what do you think, guys? Is this worthy of a $10 subscription or not? So I want to get your opinion about this. Please leave your comment down below. And here are the details of each product, guys. So the first one is this. This is Benefit Cosmetics. Get brows that steals the spotlight with this volumizer gel. It uses tiny microfibers that adheres to hairs and skin for mess-free application. Then I got my number 2. This is from number 2 is from Lancome. This is creamy high volume mascara, delivers bold lashes for up to 24 hours. That's a plus for the beauty. So, and my number 3 is this one, Hello Fab. So this is from First Aid Beauty. This makeup gripping primer blurs the appearances of pores, plus it's non-comedogenic, so there's no breakout performance. So this is for the face, the skin, and my fourth one is from Believe. So this is a True Cream Moisturizing Balm. This intensely moisturizing balm is an action-packed cream that leaves skin smooth, supple, and nurtured for 26 hours. So this is this, guys. And my number 5 is this one. This is for hair deep conditioning masks. So this is formulated with naturally derived ingredients. This mask visibly restores essential hydration and helps strengthen strands. A true hair hero story. So this is an award-winning item. And I got the bonus item, which is for my number 6. This is Victor and Rolf Magic Sage Spell. So this is a bonus item. This is supposed to be 5, but they're giving out extra item, which is their bonus item. So this is a thrilling and a little addictive. This earthy scent is one you'll come back to time after time. So these are all the items I got, guys. They're all 6. So I want you to tell me if this is worthy of a $10 subscription. Please leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to see and know your idea about this. Thank you for watching. I'm your teacher vlogger, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.